We are going to find out the value of this square root, but where should we start the solution? Welcome back to my channel, Drinking Math. In this video, I'm going to solve this fun little math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get started. But what is the question and where should we start the solution? The question says find the value of second root of 121 over second root of 121 minus second root of 120. I'm going to start my solution by working on this inner part. So let me rewrite it here. We have 121 over second root of 121 minus second root of 120. To continue the solution, I'm going to multiply both top and bottom by conjugate of denominator, which means second root of 121 minus changes to plus second root of 120. Exactly this one as denominator. Second root of 121 plus second root of 120. Let's see, what do we have? 121 times this. It is going to be 121 times second root of 121 plus second root of 120. Denominator, what do we have? Second root of 121 minus second root of 120 times second root of 121 plus second root of 120. So let's see how can we calculate the continue of the solution. Look, on top, how can we simplify top? On top we have second root of 121. As you know, 121 is a perfect square. So second root of 121 is 11. What do we have? Bottom. A minus b times a plus b. Can you remember? Look, we have this a minus b times a plus b. It is going to be first term s squared minus second term s squared, or difference of 2s squared. So I write it on top 121 times this 11 plus second root of 120, and bottom I write this one s squared minus this one s squared, which means second root of 121 s squared minus second root of 120 s squared. Let's continue the solution here. So I rewrite the top exactly as the same. So it is going to be 121 multiplied by 11 plus second root of 120. What do we have? Bottom. These two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off. So we have 121 minus, again, these two as exponent, these two root can be cancelled off. So we have minus 120. 121 minus 120 is 1. So what is this? 121 times 11 plus second root of 120. What is this? This is still our inner part. We need to calculate second root of this. So I write here second root of 121 over second root of 121 minus second root of 20 is equal to 121 times 11 plus second root of 120. So what is this? Now I'm going to get help from this rule that says second root of a times b can be written in the form of second root of a times second root of b, right? So this is going to be second root of 121 times second root of 11 plus second root of 120. What is second root of 121? All you know, this is 11, right? So it is going to be 11 times second root of 11 plus second root of 120. It is enough. We calculate the value of second root of 11 plus second root of 120 and multiply it by 11. But how can we calculate second root of 11 plus second root of 120? No worries, come here. We need to be a little bit tricky. After a few seconds, you will see how can we calculate it. But first, let me erase this part. Okay. I'm sure many of you can guess the continuity of the solution. So let me rewrite it. We are going to find out the value of this 11, second root of 11 plus, let me write it here, second root of 11 plus second root of 120. To continue the solution, I'm going to working on this number 120. It can be written as the product of 4 and 30. So I write here it is equal 11 plus second root of 4 times second root of 30. What is second root of 4? Right, second root of 4 is 2. So I write second root of 11 plus 2 second root of 30. Next step, 30 can be written as a product of 6 and 5. Right, 6 times 5. So let me write it here, 11 plus 2 times second root of 6 times second root of 5. Now, how can we continue the solution? We have 6, we have 5, we have 11. Can you guess the continuity of the solution? Right, 11 can be written as a sum of 6 and 5, right? This 11 can be written in the form of 6 plus 5. So I write here, it is equal 6 plus 5 plus 2 second root of 6 times second root of 5. But what is this? Let me write the solution here. First, let me change the place of this term and this term. After a few seconds, you will see why. I write it in the form of 6 plus 2 times second root of 6 times second root of 5 plus 5. But what is this? Can you guess? Twice of the product of the first term and second term. Right, you remember, okay? A squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. What is this? It is a plus b squared. S squared of the sum of two terms. Can we rewrite it in this form? Twice product of the first term and second term, but this is not perfect square. This is not perfect square. So what should we do? Right, we can rewrite 6 as second root of 6 to the power of 2. We can rewrite 5 as second root of 5 to the power of 2. So it is going to be second root of 6 to the power of 2 plus twice of second root of 6 times second root of 5 plus second root of 5 to the power of 2. What is this? First term s squared, twice of the product of the first term and second term, plus second term s squared. Right. This is exactly second root of 6 plus second root of 5. And what is this? These two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off. So I write here second root of 6 plus second root of 5. This is the value of second root of 11 plus second root of 120. So I write here our final answer. 11 times, what is second root of 11 plus second root of 120? Second root of 6 plus second root of 5. And what is this? This is the most simplified answer of our question. Have